Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in the show centre here at the Bolney Grange, and today I'm going to do a short video to explain our unique approach to zero maintenance and our 10-year guarantee with 50-year life expectancy and how we managed to achieve that. So by using house specification materials, we're able to give long guarantees with zero maintenance. Let's start with doors and windows. From the first smaller rooms that we have, we go to a UPVC door and UPVC window. Something like our J Office and J Studios both have these as standard. Because UPVC does have some thermal movement with that dark colour, in the hot days you can get movement. So as soon as we go to double doors, our French double doors here, we go over to aluminium, a much lighter and more stable product. From aluminium French doors, we have our inline sliders, extremely popular tri-sliding doors where two slide over one, and the classic bifolds in aluminium as well. So that's the doors. Inside of those doors and the windows, you can have low E glass, integrated blinds, Planifirm glass, so we can do high-end glass upgrades. Windows, as standard, come in UPVC, house specification, nothing different you'd have in your house, in the dark grey. There's a few different variables depending on what type of building you have. Or you can upgrade to the aluminium, a real slick, much thinner framed and slicker looking windows for our bespoke and designer collections. That's really popular. So that's the doors and windows covered, all house specification with the longevity you would expect for that. Cladding wise, as standard, we've got MTX cladding. That's Medite Tricoya Extreme. That's got a 50-year guarantee out of the ground, outside, without painting. So we are no longer painting to preserve, we're painting to decorate. Panels that are near boundaries and walls, we use a cement board cladding which is fire rated and a little bit more cheaper than the MTX, so you only put that where you see it, maybe the front and one corner. Cement board, again, we masonry paint just to decorate. It is zero maintenance, we can get really near boundaries, and that means all of the claddings aren't timber at all, and therefore you have those longevity that you get. Every trim, fascia, everything on the outside of a baker's room is MTX. So again, you have all those warranties with all of the little bits of that. And then if you think about the roof, we then have our standard EPDM rubber roof. That has a 20-year guarantee, 50-year life expectancy. So everything here is geared up for zero maintenance and for you to have that peace of mind of a 10-year supplier-backed warranty with a 50-year life expectancy. So that's the standard package: doors, windows, house specification, cladding, MTX and cement board. The roof is in rubber. You can then upgrade to a number of other options with the cladding, from the cedar cladding that you're seeing here, cedral cladding you're seeing here, to the Trespa Pura claddings. We'll show you some images of those, and there's a whole video about that alone. Then we do split face tiling, and we can also offer traditional timber. Cedar, Iroko and oak are the most popular ones. That will come still with the 10-year guarantee and 50-year life expectancy, but you would imagine you've got some maintenance to put on that. Oiling and looking after it, and wood will do what it wants to do. It's a natural product. So with our unique approach of using MTX and the cement board, we know that the buildings will look great for years and years to come. You could imagine only needing to decorate once every 10 years the outside of this building just to make it look nice. That's the only reason. So there you go. There's a small glimpse into what we're achieving here, and I'm really proud to say that, as standard, all our buildings now can come with the 10-year warranty, 50-year life expectancy with that zero maintenance. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do. Really do appreciate it, and let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions about this. Thank you.